Hello, my name is Marie the Water Nerd, and I am here to talk to you about other ionizers. So I work with Enagic's Kangen water ionizers. They are made in Japan. Every one of the machines that across the globe, whether you're in India, you're in the United States, you're in South Africa, every one of those machines were made in Japan in a medical grade facility. Now, I can't stress enough how that certification is actually really important. They have been a medical grade facility since the 80s. They are a 50-year-old company, and Japan just doesn't hand out certifications. You have to pass a lot of rigorous tests, a lot of rigorous investigations and like visits by the government to get your medical certification as a facility. Now, this whole video was spawned out of somebody trying to save a couple of bucks by going to buy a different ionizer. There's a few reasons that that's a really bad idea. Number one, we are a 50-year-old company. Your ionizer is going to last 20 to 30 years. In 20 to 30 years, you're still going to be able to get a filter for it, and you're still going to be able to get service for it. So having a company that's been around for 50 years is huge when you're making an investment, whatever it is, 3,000, 5,000, 6,000, whatever your investment is in your water. You want to know that you can still get help with your machine in 20 years when your machine still works. The other side of things is a lot of these knockoff ionizers or these other ionizers are not lasting 20 to 30 years. They are lasting 2 to 5 years. There's a company in Canada that finances machines. They used to finance other ionizers. I was told by somebody, by a manager in the company, the reason they don't finance other ionizers anymore, they only finance Enagic Kangen water ionizers, is because they were losing money. The ionizers were not lasting the length of the term, so customers weren't wanting to pay their monthly payment for a machine that didn't work. So they were losing money, so they stopped financing those companies. Now, there's so many reasons to choose Enagic. The other side of it is beyond medical grade platinum and titanium plates in the back. When you are electrolyzing or ionizing water, what's happening is electricity is actually zapping the plates in the back of the machine. When you repeatedly zap metal, you do have the opportunity, or it does have the option of breaking down. Enagic has been known 50 years to not break down. So metal poisoning is not a thing with our machines because we use quality parts and quality ingredients. Anyway, so when you're using a cheaper machine, you could be running the risk of metal poisoning because they're not getting the level of titanium and platinum in a $300 machine that they would be in a $5,000 machine, unless they're getting some serious discount on platinum. Okay, so I'm going to show you what I found here today. Now, if you're looking at other ionizers, this is what I'm doing. If you're looking at other ionizers, this is your first place to go to find out if they are lying to you. So this one here, for instance, I know somebody that is white labeling these. So what they do is they buy a whole bunch of them, they slap their name on the front of it, and they pretend they made it. But really, this machine, although it says wholesale Japan, 11 titanium plates, Kangen water electrolysis generator, blah, is actually made in Guangdong, Kaohsiung. So this is a factory in China that is making knockoff ionizers. Now, next thing I want to show you is the price. So if I go and buy 10 of these, they're going to be $305 a piece. If I decide that I want to buy 100 of these, they're going to be $240 a piece. Now, you're looking at 11 titanium plates. I would very much question not only the quality of those plates, but the size of those plates. Now, I have 8 plates in my K8. It doesn't matter how many plates you've got. I could break my plates up into 57 plates. It's still the same amount of surface tension, surface area. So 11 plates doesn't mean anything And it's not made in Japan, it's made in China, and it is a serious markup on a very cheap machine that could potentially cause you more health issues than solve. Let's go have a look at some more. Oh, I've looked at this one. There's a whole bunch of them. So if you're shopping, go and have a look. $250, $250, $240, $220, $250, $250. I guarantee you, these are low quality machines producing low quality water. You've got a 1-year warranty. Good luck ever cashing in on that. We have, what else do we have here? I haven't actually looked at this one in particular, but we can see that they are made in China and they look great, sure. But if you're willing to take the chance, then at least save yourself some money from paying some shyster to be the middleman. This is another one that I've seen going around online. Again, all they'll do is they'll just put their name right there. Marie Gardner's water ionizer. And I make the best water ionizer in Japan. And they'll put it on Facebook. They'll put it on Alibaba or on eBay. They'll put it on Amazon. These machines are all over the internet and they're being sold for thousands of dollars. And that is one serious markup. Let's go have a look at another one. Now, this one, $280. This one I've seen on Amazon. Check out these plates. So 7 plates. That looks like about 1 plate from Enagic. Here's another sneak peek at the plate. They're fitting 7 plates into there. It's not about the size of the plates as much. Well, it is about the size and the quality. You do not want to get metal poisoning from a $4,000 machine. That's why going with a company that has 50 years experience in making these, from medical machines that they used to use in Japan in the hospitals to now the home appliances that have been available in USA and Canada since 2007, they are known for quality. We'll have another look at another one here. Now, this one is very interesting. This one definitely set me up and set me off. So this one's $3,500. Seems as if they're either selling used ionizers, would be my guess, or they're actually making a knockoff that looks just like the Kangen machines. Now, the reasons that I wonder if it's used or a knockoff, and this is how you guys can all go in and have a look at this as well. We've got a 1-year warranty. We've got place of origin is India. They're calling it a distiller. That is like, so I may as well call that bottled water. Like, that is not what that is. It's not a distiller. So they don't know their product. They're in India and they've got a 1-year warranty instead of a 5. Let's go down and have a look at their facility. Now this is quite, you see how this is fuzzy? This means that they are screenshotting Enagic marketing material and putting it up on Alibaba. So that's why you're not getting that crisp look, is because it's stolen. So let's go have a look at this. Now look at this. I can't get this to open, but this is what, do you see down here? What is this? This is what they are saying their facility looks like. Which makes no sense to me. If anybody wants this link, then let me know. We are based in India. This is a knockoff, and you are going to pay $3,500 for this with no warranty, no distributor ID, and coming from some sort of a junkyard, apparently, from a bunch of shysters in India. So this is what I'm talking about, you guys. When you're looking for an ionizer, you want to find somebody you trust that can show you why they paid. Now, if this was the greatest machine on the planet and this was better than Enagic, hell to the yeah, I would have one in every tap. At $300, this would be the machine I would own. This would be the machine in my bathroom. This would be the machine in my laundry room. I would have one in every room in the house. It's not better. It's cheaper. And if you don't want to waste your money on getting sick, then I would highly recommend talking to the person that sent this to you, because they are a real Enagic distributor. They know their product, they know their history, they know their certifications. Enagic has worked hard to be number one. We do not even consider this number two. This is a scam. This is lies on the internet. And this is the reason that a lot of people have a lot of problems with ionized water, because they are making it in a substandard machine that has no warranty, no backing, and is literally just a complete scam. So if you need any more information about this, by all means, reach out to me. I would be happy to tell you more or to show you why I chose to invest in high quality equipment. Biggest reasons for that is because I trust the company. Biggest reason for that is my equipment's going to last 20 to 30 years, and I'm going to need to find a filter for it when I'm 75. I believe Enagic will still be here, be in the industry, and be producing high grade water ionizers when I'm 75. So I'll be able to get a filter. I believe in the vision of the company, where everybody gets to take a crack at having a home-based business by opening their own good-hearted, eco-friendly water business. And water ionization is going to be the next big thing, as you can see from the Alibaba site. This is already huge. You don't want to invest $3,500 every 3 years. Invest 6 and own it for the next 25. So that's my rant for today. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment and I will go over it with you.